Hello, I'm here to show you my One Happy Family mini album that I made from the One Big Happy Family stack that I did the dad card from. It's a good paper stack to make for family reunions, and now that Thanksgiving is coming up. I lost the bag, so it's just One Happy Family. Put a little camera charm, made a tassel-like, and here's the back. Put this one upside down. Yes, I did. But I'm going to go with it because it doesn't actually look that bad. A picture could be put in front. I really like these ring-bound mini albums because you could add a lot to it. This is how it looked from Michael's. It was in something like this. Recollections Halloween. Doesn't looks gothic, but it's really not a Halloween image. And this one, but I've opened it and lost the rings and probably used, and I think I did try to use one of this in a mixed media project a long time ago. But anyway, they sell different kinds of larger ones too in the mixed media aisle. But back to the mini album. Here's a tag I made with a charm. It goes into a pocket. The third page. Some journaling cards. And these journaling cards I just added in, and actually could put pictures on the back for mom, dad, my grandparents, and that's the family tree, family portrait there, and again the back cover. But a lot could be added to this later. That's what I really like about it, because it's ring bound. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Bye.